Hi everybody, thanks for coming by. Today I have a Boxycharm unboxing, and to be quite honest, I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure if this is the regular May box or if it's my limited edition skincare box. I'm judging from the weight that it's probably the skincare box, but I'm not sure. It just literally hit my front porch. I had no intentions of videoing today, but when this hit the front porch, I couldn't not. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. I signed up for annual. I was one of those people who they said, oh, if you sign up for annual, you can try and get the limited edition box sooner. And I was like, okay, yes, please, and thank you. And then it was available for several days, but that's okay. I've taken care of my Boxycharm for a year now, and I know I'm gonna get it because it's probably my favorite beauty box. Okay, we're gonna learn together what's in here. I still don't know. Skincare box. So this is the limited edition skincare box that if you are a charmer, you could choose to receive for $49.95, and that's it for all of these wonderful ingredients. So right on the top we have our Boxy Limited Skincare, Unlimited Glow, Limited Quantities. And on the back we have what all the goodies are, which are no secret because they told you what all the goodies were so that you would be like, please send me that box. And it worked. I did. Okay, so let's reach in and see what first we have, and this was one of the main reasons I got it. It is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. And I have been using the Elemis Marine Collagen Day Cream and loving it. And this alone, I believe, is $48. Let's read and see what it says about it. But, I mean, my box was $49.95, and I wanted this. So this basically made almost everything else in there free. So this says, wake up with glowing, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of your nighttime skincare routine. The Elemis Superfood Night Cream is packed with superfood lipids, chia, black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. Well, let's see if we can just pump some out. There must be a secret. So we pop this front off. Yes, it has a little thingy that stopped it from squirting out in transit. And, oh, it's probably a day's worth. I should probably put it on something. It's just a cream. I am too. Oh, it smells. Doesn't smell like the Elemis Pro Collagen. The Pro Collagen is a yin-yang for me. I'm really liking what it's doing for my skin, but I don't love the smell of it. But this has a far more herbal smell. I'll put some on my neck since it's exposed. Not wasting this. Oh, it smells real. I love this. If you know Aveda hair shampoos and conditioners, that herbal scent that they have, this kind of smells like that. It's kind of got that same herbally smell that Aveda has. It smells really good. Okay, one ingredient in and I'm already super happy. Let's see what's next. I'm just going to reach in. I have the Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. Purify and replenish. So I'm probably going to put this aside for next winter. Although I use a cleansing oil at night, I'm using the Drunk Elephant Sleigh. I'll put my review here. I use it every night to take my makeup off. And I don't even do the double cleanse that they say with oils. You could always double cleanse. I just use the Sleigh and I feel clean and I move on. Anyway, back to the Kopari. So this is what it looks like in the bottle. And it says, it's time to break up with clogged pores. Your new Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil gently kicks out the makeup, impurities, and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The restorative antioxidants brighten your complexion, leaving behind an even skin tone and very soft surface. So that sounds fantastic. Let's see what it smells like. Of course, I'm putting it, just one little squirt. And I hope you can see that, a dollop of oil there. Feels like oil. Smells kind of coconutty, but it's not overwhelming coconutty by any stretch. Of course, I put it on top of that herbal Elemis, but together they actually smell quite nice, which is great because this will probably become my night routine. Oh, it smells so good. Let's see what's next. Oh, I have two of these, so I'll take them both out. Next, I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Sheet Masks. They are hydrating and soothing for all skin types and has watermelon and hyaluronic acid in it. So we got two of these sheet masks. I have actually used this sheet mask before, and it was in the winter. And one of the effects of this is that it's cooling, and in the winter, whew, it was cooling all right. I would suggest before you use these that you put them in the fridge and let them get nice and cool. It left my skin so happy. I was so hydrated, and it just depuffed, and I love these. And they're like $8 a piece. Let's let them tell us about them. Yes, $16 for the two of them. Hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with a sheet mask, literally like no other. Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. So I've used that, and I know I like it, so those are two face masks that I can't wait to use again. Okay, what do we got next? Okay, this was really the only question in this box for me. And this is probably one of the things that most of the other people that ordered this box were excited about. And it's the GlamGlow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment. Well, if you watch my channel, what you know about me is I have very sensitive skin. I mean, it's very sensitive. And the fact that this brags about the 6 acids that are in it, yes, the whole basis of this is acids, and it makes me so nervous. It's such a pretty box, though. There's a little instruction thing down there. I'm not going to open this because I suspect I'm going to pass it on. I just don't think that I will ever take a chance on putting all of these acids on my face. But this had great value in the box. It was like $65. Let's see what they say. Exactly. It says that the GlamGlow Super Serum is $65, and it works to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines, powered by activated charcoal to refine pores, and the Super 6 Acid Blend, a high-potency complex of exfoliating AHAs, BHA, and PHA. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen dead skin cells, promote cell renewal, and even the look of dull skin tone and texture. That sounds like it's going to do a fantastic job on eating all of the dead layers off of your skin, but that's just too aggressive for my sensitive skin, so I will pass that on. Okay, next we have, something fun to play with. It is the Farsali Jelly Beam Illuminator. That's the box. And I got it in rose gold. Right. Let's see. Oh, it is. It's like, can you see the jiggle? It's like Jello in there. That is so interesting. And I read all about it. And it said, they had all kinds of stuff on their social media about this. And it said, whatever you do, you take it, wherever you're going to put it, and you swipe it. And it worked. And then once you swipe it, you can blend it out. And you have a nice streak of gold. It said don't dab, because if you dab where you dab first, it will stay stronger and it won't even out. It'll never even out. But this evened out nicely, and it's a little gold for my face, but it feels so nice, and it actually does blend out. Now I have it all, I've been rubbing it all over the back of my hand, and the back of my hand just has a glow now. That's the gold. So I will probably keep it and maybe do my collarbones and that kind of thing with it. So that's fun. What they say about that is that the Farsali Jelly Beam, which I keep wanting to call Jelly Bean, highlighter has a $40 value. You are definitely ready for this jelly. Your new Farsali Jelly Beam highlighter applies as a gel and sets as a powder, always delivering a high shine finish. The concentrated pigment makes this product really versatile, letting you customize your glow. I agree, because I could have done another swipe over that. I mean, I probably could have built that too. I like it. I wonder what it would look like. Shall we just put some on my face? I don't have nearly enough makeup on. Like I said, I didn't think I was going to tape today. But let's see if I can just do a little bit of this on my face and what it will do. Okay, I've got just a little bit. Oh. I hope you guys can see that. Even I can see it in the... Alright, well, let's make this one match. What the heck? So, yeah, it has shine. I think probably on darker skin tones, this is going to be incredible. Hope you guys can see the shine on that. That's very neat. So many good things. This was killer for $49.95. All right, next I have, oh, and this was a variation, and I got the Caudalie grape water. You could have received this or some Korres face wipes, and I really wanted this, and I'm so glad I got it. You know what? This room I'm filming in is hot as heck today. Let's put a little on. Of course, I could have read about it first, but nah. Oh my goodness. That feels, oh, that's so refreshing and nice. Let's see what this, oh, that feels good. Let's see what they say about it. The Caudalie grape water has an MSRP of $10. It is extracted from French grapes. Oui, oui. Your new Caudalie organic grape water helps increase hydration and reduce redness. Oh, always a good thing for me. Safe for sensitive skin. I can't hear those words enough. The fragrance and preservative-free mist can be used as a toner, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturizing love. I know that the goal when they send you these things is probably that you will love one of them and you will want to continue buying it. 30 seconds in, I have to tell you, there's pretty good odds I buy more of this. It feels so nice on my skin right now. It's so nice. Okay, next I have, oh right, the cosmetics. It's a cosmetics pouch, and inside is, I don't know why I thought this was going to be rose quartz. I thought the picture was rose quartz, but it's a jade one. That's lovely. I have a jade one, but I have to tell you, this one looks like it's nicer quality than mine. Mine has much more openness to the jade that you can see, but it's very pretty. I use it. I put my serum on in the morning, and these get so cool that when you roll it over your face, it feels so nice, and I just feel like my pores are tightening when I use it. So I love mine. And I will probably pass this along too. Although it does seem better quality than mine. Maybe I should just stick it in a drawer just in case. So it says about this lovely jade roller that it has an MSRP of $32. The tool your skincare routine has been missing. This jade crystal facial roller takes your skincare products to another level by helping boost circulation and pushing your skin to absorb your products better. You'll experience a visible change in your skin's glow, your dark circles, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I haven't noticed any difference in my dark circles, I don't think, but I do feel like my pores tighten when the cool hits them. Now, I don't know how long that lasts, but I do feel like that's true. Hey, and last but not least, is it? Yes, it is last but not least. I have the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I'm going to have to read more about this one before I use it too. But that's the box. It says that you cleanse and then pat dry your face, gently apply to the face, and rub in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water. Oh, so at least it's not something that you leave on in case it's slightly aggressive. Oh, that's just pretty. It's just sweet, pink, pretty packaging. I like that a lot. Let's see what it says. It says that the Saturday Skin has a MSRP of $28. Gently and visibly remove impurities and dullness from your skin with your new Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts, this peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts elasticity with super peptide complex. I am intrigued. I will probably try this. I will probably live to regret it, but that's okay. People in my life will love getting this secondhand. So all told, per this and my math, and it's math in my head, this had a value of $268 and it was $49.95. And there are wonderful things here to try. The only thing that I will probably take a pass on is the GlamGlow serum, and I will find a really good home for it. But I'm so excited to try the rest. This Elemis Superfood, I can't wait. The Kopari cleansing, it's going to be fantastic. Smearing my body with this gold glitter stuff should be interesting. I already want to spray myself down again with this Caudalie. It's so warm in this room I'm in. And we have the peel and the 2 watermelon jelly sheet masks. So that was a really great buy, and I can't wait to try it all. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming by. Did anybody else get this? Have you tried any of these products that you think I need to know about? Have you tried this Saturday Night Skin? And if so, do you think it's going to be too aggressive for sensitive skin? I'm a little nervous. I have to be truthful. Okay, please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll see when I put up my next video. And I will talk to you all really soon. Bye.